Here's why you need to stop relying on engine braking. On older cars, engine braking was more useful. The engine's drag would help you stop much faster, but on modern cars, with the introduction of ABS, traction control, and other stability systems, which can override engine braking, it is much less useful. While it is still very much real and still useful, it is more of a small side character. So the next time you are coasting and lift your foot off the gas, thinking the car will do all the work, it won't.